If you're getting ready to set up your Logitech G29 racing wheel with your PS5, the whole process is much simpler than it looks as long as everything is connected in the right order. Start by laying out all the parts: the wheel, the pedal set, the power adapter, and the USB cable. Once everything is in front of you, mount the wheel onto your desk or racing stand using the clamps underneath. Twist the clamps until the wheel is firmly locked in place. If your desk is thicker than usual, remove the plastic spacers inside the clamps so the wheel can grip properly. Next, take the cable from the pedal unit and plug it into the matching port underneath the steering wheel base. It has a unique connector, so it only fits one way. Once that's connected, plug the power adapter into the wheel and then into the wall outlet. As soon as it receives power, the wheel will automatically calibrate by spinning fully left, fully right, and then returning to center. This is normal and means the wheel is alive and ready. Now connect the wheel to your PS5 using the USB cable. If your console doesn't have an open USB-A port, just use a USB-A to USB-C adapter. One important step a lot of people miss is the mode switch on top of the G29. Make sure to set that switch to PS4 mode because the wheel works on PS5 through backward compatibility support. Once that switch is set, press the PlayStation button on the wheel so the console recognizes it as a controller. At this point, your wheel should be fully functional in any supported racing game. If a game doesn't respond, enter its settings or control menu and select the Logitech G29 as the active steering wheel. You can also fine-tune force feedback strength, steering sensitivity, and pedal dead zones. After it's all configured once, your PS5 will recognize the G29 automatically every time you plug it in, making future sessions effortless.